Hi kiddos! In this video I am going to be going over the circle and sort page with you, and I'm also going to talk to you a little bit about the OO digraph and the different sounds that it can make. Now if you remember last week we talked about the OO sound and how there are two different sounds that we can hear when we put the double O's together. The sound that we talked about last week was the sound, and all of our spelling words last week had that sound in them. Words like book and hood, look and good, all have that sound. This week we are going to be listening for another sound that the OO can make, and that's the ooh sound, like in boo. All of our words this week are going to have that ooh sound. But if only it were that easy. I'm not just going to give you words that have the O to make ooh. I'm also going to teach you two other vowel patterns that make that ooh sound as well. I'm telling you, our English language loves to play tricks on us, but you kiddos are so smart. I know that you're going to do great with this. So over here behind me, I have a handy dandy whiteboard, and I'm going to use that to show you the different spelling sounds that we are going to work on this week. So the first letters that make the sound ooh are the OO. So I'll put that here. OO. Words like boo, and if you look at your list of words for week 2, we've got the words soon and zoo and moon. All of those words have that OO sound to make the ooh. Another way when we're reading and writing that we can make that ooh sound is with an E and a W. The E and the W also make that ooh sound. Words like new and the wind blew, those have that EW to make ooh. And the other way that we're going to learn this week is the OU, okay? OU together make the ooh sound, like on a cold day when you eat a warm bowl of soup. So all of our words this week are going to have either the OO, the EW, or the OU pattern, but they will all make the ooh sound. So I strongly, strongly encourage you to work on Spelling City this week, because you're going to want to practice which of those spelling patterns you need for which words. It can be confusing at first. That's why we practice with repetition. You will get it down so that on Friday you will do awesome on your test. We're going to be doing some spiral spelling later this week, where you'll get to practice writing your spelling words again and again and again. There's several games, some that I've put on Spelling City that I definitely want you to do, and then there's so many that you can log in every day and play with to learn these words. Mom and dad or a brother or sister can give you a spelling test, and you can work hard to write all of your ooh words this week. Now, the next thing that I'm going to go over with you is this circle and sort page. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing, because I'm pretty sure that your smart brains will be able to figure out what you need to do on it. But I will go over the directions with you, just so that when you sit down to do this, you don't need a whole lot of more instruction from mom and dad. So the first thing you'll do is put your name at the top, because we always put our name on our papers first. Name and number, first thing. So once your name and number's on your paper, you are going to read each of these sentences. And when you read them, there are going to be different ooh words in the sentences that use these spelling patterns. So when you see a word that has those spelling patterns in it, you know that it's an ooh word. And when you sound it out, you should say ooh. So I'm going to bring it nice and close so you can see. This first sentence says, I screw, there's that ooh, on the glue, there's that ooh, cap. I screw on the glue cap. Now what I want you to do on this paper is first circle all of the words that you see that have that ooh sound. So you would circle the word screw and glue. That's the circle part. And you'll go through each sentence. And when you see a word that has an ooh spelling pattern, you'll circle it. After you've circled all of the ooh words on this sheet, the next thing that you will do is sort them. In this column, I want you to put all of the ooh words that use the UE spelling pattern. And in this column, I want you to put all of the ooh words that use the EW spelling pattern. And when you are done circling all of the ooh words and then sorting them into these two columns, I want you to take a picture of it and upload it into your Class Dojo portfolio so that I can see how well you've done and give you some points in the grade book. I hope that you've enjoyed learning about the ooh sound today, and I will see you again in another video soon. Bye!